Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the world of financial management for businesses, specifically a platform called mamopay. Now, you might be wondering, is mamopay the knight in shining armor my business needs, or will it leave a dent in my wallet? Fear not, intrepid entrepreneurs, because we're here to break down mamopay's pricing structure and see if it fits your financial battlefield. The mamopay allure, features, and functionality. Before we dissect the price tag, let's talk about what mamopay brings to the table. They advertise themselves as an all-in-one financial operating system, aiming to streamline your business's financial life. Here's a taste of what they offer. Payments. Accept payments in over 15 currencies, with fees starting at a competitive 1.9%. Plus, you can save 3% on foreign transaction fees, a nice perk for international businesses. Cards. mamopay partners with Visa to offer zero-cost corporate cards, both virtual and physical. This allows you to manage company spending efficiently and eliminate pesky foreign exchange fees. Expenses. Say goodbye to manual expense reports and hello to streamlined expense management. mamopay helps you eliminate reimbursements and simplify month-end closing. APIs. If you're a tech-savvy business, you'll appreciate mamopay's powerful APIs. These allow you to optimize your checkout process and automate financial operations, saving you valuable time and resources. The cost conundrum, mamopay pricing breakdown. Now, onto the burning question, how much does mamopay cost? Unlike some competitors, mamopay doesn't have a one-size-fits-all pricing model. They offer two main plans, Starter and Premium. Starter plan. This is ideal for freelancers and businesses just starting out. The fee structure is a bit of a hybrid. You pay 2.9% plus AED 1 per transaction. So, the more transactions you process, the more you'll pay. This plan might be good if you have a low transaction volume, but for businesses with frequent sales, it could add up quickly. Premium plan. This plan has a flat monthly fee of AED 149. It's unclear from their website what specific features are included in the premium plan, so it's important to contact mamopay directly for details. This plan could be a good option for businesses with a consistent transaction flow, as the flat fee might be more cost-effective in the long run. The hidden costs, transaction fees, and more. It's important to remember that the headline pricing might not be the whole story. Here are some additional costs to consider. Chargeback fees. If a customer disputes a transaction, you might be charged a fee by mamopay. International transaction fees. While mamopay offers a discount on foreign transaction fees, there might still be some associated costs. Currency conversion fees. If you're dealing in multiple currencies, there could be additional fees for converting between them. The final verdict, is mamopay worth it? So, is mamopay a financial hero or villain for your business? The answer depends on your specific needs. Here's a quick breakdown to help you decide. Good for freelancers, small businesses with low transaction volume, businesses looking for zero-cost corporate cards. Not ideal for businesses with high transaction volume, businesses needing a lot of customization or specific features, clarification needed on premium plan, businesses very sensitive to fees. The takeaway, do your research. mamopay offers some attractive features, particularly the zero-cost corporate cards and the competitive transaction fees for lower volumes. However, it's crucial to do your research before diving in. Be sure to factor in potential hidden costs and compare mamopay with other financial management platforms to find the best fit for your business budget and needs. Call to action. Let us know in the comments below what your experience has been with mamopay, or if you have any questions about financial management platforms in general. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content to help you conquer the financial side of your business journey. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, keep hustling.